there are any rates on Vivmed, 5% higher right now. That, of course, was up 20% yesterday, as Ashish Kacholia picked up 4.5% stake. Now, who's Ashish Kacholia? One of those hidden legendary investors that has a cult following. So, Mangalam Maloo now joins in to tell more about him, his portfolio, and his investment mantras. Mangalam?
Indeed, Anuj. So yesterday, after the purchase in Vivmed Labs by Ashish Kacholia, the stock surged, and as we speak, it is up 5% in pre-open as well. So the question that begets asking is, who is Ashish Kacholia? I was doing some research there, and he is an influential independent investor who enjoys a cult following. And he's the founder of Lucky Investment Managers Limited, which is his broking and investment advisory firm. He started his career with Prime Securities, then moved on to Edelweiss Equities Research Desk as well. And in terms of pedigree, he's got a management degree from Jamnalal Bajaj in Mumbai itself, one of the best MBA colleges. But then again, a cursory Google search shows that his net worth is upwards of 1,000 crores. And if you look at the BSE listing as far as June 2016 reporting is concerned, his portfolio is upwards of 450 crores. So if you look at the publicly disclosed portfolio holdings, his portfolio can be diversified or classified into three forms. One, the slightly higher weighted stocks. Secondly, we have the lesser weighted stocks. So if you look at the higher weighted stocks, we have Shelley Engineering, APL Apollo Tubes, as well as Parag Milk, which enjoy anywhere between 40 to 60 crore worth of holding in its 450 crore portfolio. Shelley Engineering, remember, is one of the small cap big ideas which Varinder had covered as well. And these stocks have moved. The other set is 30 to 40 crores per stock, which is Navin Fluorine, GHCL, as well as Pokarna. GHCL is the latest addition to his portfolio. He has been increasing stake in plastics as well as the chemical industry. Now, moving on to the third set of stocks that he has, where he has investments of anywhere between 19-20 crores. DFM Foods, he raised his weight in this by about 6% in this quarter. DFM Foods, also remember, Nigel has covered in Mid-Cap Mania. Shreyas Shipping is another stock which he's sitting on a drawdown because the stock has underperformed. And the other stocks are Genus Power, Ashiana Housing Finance as well. And then we have the other stocks that are in his portfolio, which are listed, about 15 to 16 crore worth investment in each. Varilal, AYM, Syntex, MT Educare, as well as Majesco, and some other names like Acrysil, Lokesh Machine, and Zentech, which have about 5 to 6 crores each. But the key point is that in the last quarter itself, there were a lot of changes that he made to his portfolio. The first one is that he exited his entire position in Axis Gates, a stock which has underperformed over the last 1 year, and entered GHCL. Also increased his weight in Pokarna by 16%, and increase his weight in DFM Foods by 6% as well. For a retail investor, there are three key learnings as far as his portfolio is concerned. The first one is that one should keep the portfolio small. For a 450 to 460 crore portfolio, he has never had more than 18 to 23 stocks in his portfolio over a long period of time. Other than that, he has done a lot of research beneath the surface, because small and mid-cap companies account for more than 2/3 of the portfolio. And he has been doing constant review of his portfolio. Every quarter, we see some exits, some entries, profit-taking or loss booking as far as the other stocks are concerned. And the most important thing, Anuj, which retail investors should keep in mind, is the diversification and efficient allocation in his portfolio. Because if you look at the bar chart, as far as the weights are concerned, the highest weighted stock in his portfolio would be Shelley Engineering, which has no more than 13% weight. APL Apollo Tubes, Parag Milk, all of them have around 11 to 8% weight, which is his top holding. So if you look at the other stocks in his 20 stock portfolio, none of them enjoy more than 4 to 7% weight, which reduces concentration risk and at the same time gives them benefits of diversification.
Okay, that's bunch of lessons to learn from Ashish Kacholia, and that's a very influential investor. 450